Hey guys, I'm Danny from Allpress London, and I'm going to show you how to make the classic Espresso Martini.
No more than 2 of these, haha.
So firstly, get your cocktail shaker. Now you want a handful of ice. Then vanilla vodka, 25 mils. Coffee liqueur, double shot, 50 mils.
50? Oh yeah, 50, 25, 25.
Then of course, coffee shots, 25 mils. Everyone has their own versions of espresso martinis, but this is our classic. Then you want to shake. Lastly, use your strainer. And there you have it. Oh, before I forget, a little bit of orange peel. There you have it. Espresso Martini. Sorry, drinking on the job.